A deep depression crossed the Odisha coast near Puri between 10:30 am and 11:30 am on Monday, causing significant disruption in various parts of the state, especially in Malkangiri and Koraput. The heavy rainfall triggered by this weather system has led to widespread issues, particularly in these regions. The Odisha government has warned that a minor flood is likely to occur, given the current weather conditions. Malkangiri district, in particular, has been severely impacted, receiving heavy rainfall over the past 24 hours. This has led to the submersion of low-lying roads and bridges, disrupting normal life and causing concerns for the local population. In response to the situation, Odisha's Chief Secretary conducted a review meeting at the Special Relief Commissioner's office in Bhubaneswar to assess the rainfall's impact. Senior officials from various departments participated in the meeting, given the IMD's forecast of continued rainfall and the potential for flash floods in some areas. Koraput's Kundra block was one of the first areas to experience heavy rainfall, temporarily affecting vehicular traffic. While the situation in Koraput has improved, Malkangiri continues to struggle with persistent heavy rainfall that began on September 8. Rescue and relief operations are being actively carried out by the ODRAF and fire services teams. The state government is closely monitoring the situation in Malkangiri, where the rainfall has slightly reduced but remains a concern. 5 Odisha fire services teams have been deployed for rescue operations, and several families in Malkangiri town have been relocated to safer place. To further support the affected regions, ODRAF teams have been dispatched to southern Odisha, including Rayagada and Jaipur. Coastal districts such as Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack, and Dhenkanal are also under close watch, with NDRF teams on standby as a precaution. Additionally, 6 NDRF teams have been moved to Ganjam, Puri, Khordha, and Nayagarh, with 2 teams kept on standby. To prepare for any potential flooding, 30 additional pumps have been readied for Bhubaneswar, 10 for Cuttack, and another 10 for Puri. The Odisha government is taking all necessary steps to mitigate the impact of the heavy rains and potential flooding, ensuring that the affected districts receive assistance they need. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.